Airport English conversation.
Hello, I need to check in for my flight.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you traveling to today?
I am going to London.
Great. Do you have any baggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Your baggage is 22 kilograms. That is fine. Do you have any liquids in your carry-on bag?
I have a small bottle of water.
Liquids must be 100 milliliters or less. Is your bottle small?
Yes, it is only 50 milliliters.
Good. Liquids must be in a clear plastic bag. Do you have one?
No, I do not have one.
That is okay. You can get one at the security area. No problem.
Thank you, I will do that.
Do you have any sharp objects in your bag?
No, I do not.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight is at 2:30 p.m. Good morning. Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay, like this?
Yes. Please also remove your shoes and your belt.
Oh, my shoes too?
Yes. Shoes and belt must go in the tray.
All right, and my jacket?
Yes. Jackets go in the tray too. And please take out your laptop if you have one.
I have a tablet. Is that the same?
Yes. Tablets and laptops go in a separate tray.
Okay, I am ready.
Please walk through the scanner slowly. You can collect your things now.
Thank you. Can I put my shoes on here?
There are seats just over there.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is in Terminal B. Go straight, then turn left.
Is it far?
About 5 minutes walking. Follow the signs for Terminal B.
I see. And is there a sign for gate 12?
Yes. You will see a big sign. Gates 10 to 15 are all in the same area.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a good flight. Attention passengers. Flight 247 to London will begin boarding at 2 p.m. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Excuse me, what time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 2 p.m. It is now 1:45. You have 15 minutes.
Good. And what is my seat number?
Let me check your boarding pass. Your seat is 22A. That is a window seat.
Oh, I love window seats.
Great. Enjoy your flight. Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Your destination is London Heathrow. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
You are in seat 22A. That is on the left side of the plane. It is a window seat.
I know, I am so excited.
Please follow the signs to your seat. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Let's learn the new vocabulary. Then watch the dialogue again and speak with confidence.